Congratulations on becoming a father. At Dad's Uni, we believe that every man has the potential within them to become a wonderful father to his children. Dad's Uni aims to provide practical biblical training to help young men in growing their families God's way. We hope you find these simple teachings to be both encouraging and informative. Remember, if you enjoy our teachings, please subscribe and like our podcasts, and share them with someone else who also might benefit. Don't forget to check out our free ebooks and blogs on our dadsuni.com website. God bless. John Nolan. Dad's Uni.
Tip 26. Children need lots of hugs and kisses.
In our nation, there are many fathers who have grown up without an affectionate father themselves, and so often find it difficult to grasp the concept of showing affection to their own children. Although this situation is unfortunate, it is still able to be overcome and an opportunity to turn our lemons into lemonade. For children that have grown up in a house where affection is readily shown, it's no big deal, it's the norm, and they have never known anything else. They have, however, reaped a huge harvest emotionally, in comparison to those who lacked this most basic family element. Whatever standard we set in the home becomes the norm, and our children just accept that this is the way family is done everywhere. When in later life they find out that some other children don't receive the loving affection that they grew used to, they are often amazed and find it difficult to understand. Children instinctively understand that they need the loving affection of both their parents to grow strong and secure emotionally. An outward display of caring and loving emotion tells the child in a practical way that they are accepted in this family and helps them to have a strong foundation in life on which to build a future. All human beings require the touch of another to impart acceptance and hope into our hearts. Giving the children lots of hugs and kisses regularly sets the standard in the family and helps build the emotional strength they need to prosper in life.
Suggested action.
Make a point of giving your children a hug and kiss at least once each day.
Scripture references.
Mark chapter 10 verse 16. And he took them up in his arms, laid his hands on them, and blessed them,